Hi, I'm Adam. How to confirm or verify your identity info on Coinbase. First of all, you have to open Coinbase website and click on sign up. You can sign up by using your email address, or you can also sign up via Google account. I will select sign up with Google. Once I've signed up with Google, it will ask me for my phone number. You have to enter your phone number and click on continue, and then it will send you a one-time password on your phone number. You have to copy your one-time password you just received on your phone and paste it on this section. And then it will ask you whether you want to receive the updates and announcement. It's just basically like a newsletter. I will select no, and then select the country of your citizenship. Click on submit. Type in the city of your birth. Click on submit. On this section, you have to select verify your identity. You have two options, whether you can select your driver's license or identity card. Select the desired option and this page will open. You can see two options, front and back. On the front section, you have to drag and drop the front picture of your identity card or your driver's license. On the back section, you have to drag and drop the picture of the back side of your identity card and upload both of the pictures and select upload. Now all of your details have been successfully submitted to Coinbase, and they're now verifying your identity. And verification should only take a moment, and they will email you when it's done. And that's how to verify your identity on Coinbase. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.